My name is Golan. I'm part of the academic team here at Maestro. Our goal is to create the best academic experience in the world and help students reach their goals. We focus on how learning actually happens inside the platform. Things like the AI tutor, the curriculum, reviews and assessments, and all of the academic infrastructure behind it. Maestro is an AI native college built around a personal AI tutor. So instead of every student hearing the same lecture from the same professor at the same pace, each student gets his personal AI tutor that adapts to his learning style and guides him through the lesson, the material, and through interactive hands-on sessions. In general terms, we are making higher education more personal, practical, and accessible, especially for people who need the flexibility. Students' day-to-day experience is structured. They're not just dropped in a chatbot with a teach me prompt. They enter a course with a specific sequence of lessons, reviews and assignments, and projects they need to complete. The AI tutor is the main companion in this structure. It teaches concepts, gives examples, and helps students with real-time feedback while the student works. The difference between Google and ChatGPT is that they are built for general questions and everyday tasks. Maestro is a personalized, guided learning path. It knows where you are in the curriculum, what you have already done and accomplished, where you need to go, what do you need to master now in this lesson, and how to get you there as fast as possible. For example, in a technical course, that might mean teaching a new coding concept and then walking the student through implementation and debugging the code if it's not working. Two of our design principles actually address this directly. First, students learn best by doing or hands-on learning. Second, progress should reflect evidence of mastery rather than just time being spent on a subject. Students in Maestro are required to apply concepts before moving on to the next subject. We actually managed to create a tighter learning loop with Maestro's immediate feedback. If a student misunderstands a subject or doesn't get the answer correct, Maestro can immediately give him feedback. He can break down the concept again and again and take the student step by step until he masters the subject. Maestro is designed to identify and address knowledge gaps, so a student won't progress until he masters all the material expected of him. At the end of each week, students have reviews where they are expected to demonstrate understanding of their week's material. This acts as a gate, so student can't progress before he shows he masters the material. There isn't one single typical student, and that's kind of the point. We have many different students. Some might be parents, some might be career changers, some might be starting from zero and wanting a journey into a new career path. Others might have experience but are actually seeking an accredited degree. So we have a long variety of people learning with us. Yes, that's one of the main reasons we built Maestro this way. A traditional college schedule assumes students can organize their lives around the institution. We try to flip that. The learning experience is online, flexible, and supported by a tutor that is available whenever the students are ready to study. That doesn't mean it's effortless. Students still need consistency, discipline, and time each week, but the model is designed to make that more realistic. Shorter learning loops, immediate support, clear next steps, and the ability to study around work, parenting, and other responsibilities. For many students, the key difference is that when they finally have an hour at 10 p.m., they're not alone with a PDF or a recorded lecture. They can actually learn, ask questions, practice, and get immediate feedback.